Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I couldn't wait any longer. I just can't deal with the stock sound of this truck anymore. So here in about 30 minutes, I'm going to my exhaust guy and we're gonna deal with the problem. I have narrowed it down to a couple and he has it in stock. So we will see which one I go with, see what he recommends and whatnot. But just wanted to give a little intro of what we was doing today. So this is the last time this truck will be stock sounding. I will do a little takeoff, turn off the air conditioner, roll down the windows. Because you can barely hear it when you get on it. Well, that's about to change. So I'll be back in a few with the results. Maybe I can get some video of him putting it on there or whatnot. I don't know yet. So we'll see you in a bit. Well, it's done. You can't hear it because, you know, GM, they insulate their vehicles very well, but outside, it's exactly what I wanted. I ended up going with the Flowmaster 10 series, Super 10, and then I had them crank it up, and GM's resonators, the screens, the mesh screens, you couldn't even really tell much had happened. So I told them to go ahead and cut them off. They done that, and when it crunk up, it's perfect. It's just the perfect amount of sound you want to hear from a V8. So I'll roll down the windows real quick, and I'll get on it here in a second. I don't know if the camera picked that up or not, but I'll do some more sound clips and I'll add them at the end of this video. But Super 10 with the resonator screens deleted sound amazing to me. So thanks. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And I have some more content coming probably later on this week. I'll put it out. So thanks again.